Hey everybody, this is Vinny with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most useful and versatile Excel tools out there. My goal, like every week, is to bring you a tool that will make your life easier by saving time, completing a specific task, automating it, and doing it fast, and removing human error from this specific task. And today's task is the ability to calculate miles and calculate travel reimbursable amount for employees or contractors in one easy-to-use tool. For those who are not familiar with my tools, all of my tools are built in Excel. As such, there is nothing to install. They usually use some type of variation of the power of what's called VBA with Google Maps, which in our case, it will calculate the mileage. And today's tool is just like that. So kind of let me show you without further ado how the tool works. First of all, in this case, we have a list of trips that one of our employees has completed, and I need to reimburse him or her for these trips. I have a from address and a to address. I've got a trip date and a trip purpose. In this case, these are not necessarily required fields. Obviously, we need a from and to address to calculate the miles driven for this. Before I do that, I want to kind of go over the settings. So I have a specific setting on how I reimburse my clients. I do in this case, $1.15. I can change this, obviously, $1.15 that I reimburse per mile. I want the first 3 miles not to be reimbursable, right? So let's say if it takes 10 miles to complete a certain task, only the first 3 will not be reimbursable. Anything after that, in this case, would be 7 miles. And it really should be as easy as that. Once I've entered the data, all I got to do is click on the calculate button, and the tool will automatically calculate. It'll calculate our distance. It'll calculate the reimbursable distance. Looks like quite a trip in here. And based on that, and based on our settings that we set up in here, it'll calculate what I owe to the employee for this reimbursable amount. And really should be as easy as that. You can calculate and generate those reports in a jiffy, with just the click of a button. If there is anything else, any changes you need to this, obviously everybody's situation is a little bit different. This scenario or this tool covers maybe 90% of the scenarios there, but if there is something else that you need, by all means, feel free to reach out. I'd be more than happy to customize the tool, add any other features that are specific to your business for you. It really should be as easy as that. Thank you for watching. To download the tool, just click on the link in the description. Should be the first line there. And again, feel free to reach if you got any questions or if you need any additions or customization. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.